Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you what you could expect inside of La Premier's Amenity kit. This is given out in first class in Air France's La Premiere cabin. Please follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So here is a look at the Amenity kit in La Premiere. So you've got the white box here. They do have a red one as well, but I wasn't offered that choice on this one, so maybe they only had the white ones. So you do get earplugs and you get a suite of Sisley beauty products. Sisley is a beauty brand in Paris. They have the spa there in the La Premiere lounge, and you are eligible for a 30-minute complimentary treatment out of that lounge as well if you do happen to be there. So other than that, this is what you have in the Amenity kit: eye mask, a pen, and again the Sisley suite of products. So that's what you can expect inside of the La Premiere Amenity kit. As always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.